Good afternoon, this is Tawanda from Strada Real Estate. I'm here today to show you this lovely studio apartment in PG, Pure Gold Living's brand new launch in Furjan. The building is called PG1. It's located right next to Discovery Gardens Metro, so perfect for investment and end use as well. So as you come in, you've got this beautiful large wooden door and a biometric entry system where you can use your thumb, a code, or you can use a key to enter the property. So as you come in, you've got a nice entrance foyer area, plenty of storage as well, straight away as you come in. And then to your left hand side, you've got your large bathroom, very big for a studio apartment, by the way. Plenty storage underneath the sink, large mirror on the wall, nice wooden paneling, and this comes as standard as well. It's not like it's just being given in the show apartment and then they'll just leave a white walls. This actually comes as it is. As you can see, the rainfall shower is attached to the ceiling directly, and you've got your normal shower as well. Very, very nice finishing, very elegant, nice color tiles, nice theme as well. It's just seamless. As you can see, the door is very closely colored to the tiles in the bathroom. And then as you come in, to your left hand side, you've got your kitchen, which comes fully equipped with all the equipment. I'll explain that in a minute. But you've got your dining room here as well. So here is where you would put your bed. Obviously that door there leads into the one bed show apartment, so that will not be there. That will just be a solid wall. You can put a bed there, or if you wanted to, you could just put a sofa bed like we've done here in the show apartment to demonstrate, and then you can leave this space for something else. Dining table, kitchen area, which comes fully equipped with a fridge freezer. All appliances are Bosch, so a fridge freezer. You've got your cooking range, dishwasher, washing machine, and your oven as well as the extractor hood. Everything is Bosch, and above you've got the cupboards which have got LED lighting inside, and then above those again you've got extra storage. So plenty of storage for a studio apartment, and very, very well proportioned apartment. As you can see, space is well used. So if you're interested in this apartment, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Tawanda. I'm from Strada Real Estate. The number is 0585 722 309. Don't forget, the ceilings will be much higher. We're just in a commercial space, so the ceilings are a bit low, but you also have access to your balcony from behind these curtains as well. So if you're interested, like I say, 0585 722 309. Please do get in touch. Thank you.